Hey, what's up? Today I have with me some things. I have with me these boxes. And I'm gonna see if I can do something with this ridiculous amount of cardboard and plastic. Turn my light on. Da 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 da. All right, let's get it on. Yeah, I'm way too excited about this. I don't know why. We have with us today a big box, a little box, and 1, 2, 3, 4 cushions. Okay, I think that's taking one little empty one. I don't know why I need to do that. Yeah. All right, for starters, we can take off the edges. Yeah, let's do this with scissors. Cardboard and glue still counts as engineering, right? I mean, come on, it's pretty cool. Anyway, I was thinking about what to put in my new organizer, and I thought, why not put Legos that are color-coded so I can make prototypes easier? So, you know, I don't have to waste time making and remaking things just because I don't get them right the first time. And so I can make things the way they're supposed to be. Permanently. Thanks for watching. Your support really means a lot to me right now, so if you'll please consider subscribing, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks. Anyway, keep an eye out for new videos, and I'll see you around. STEM Mod out. Bye.